So we can add cicadas to the list of things that Roxy has hunted. She kept trying to get something in the garden, found a bunch of cicada shells and a bunch of live cicadas. So we put 2 of them in a cup. One of them just flew away and Alex started screaming and crying because it scared him. So I'm the only one out here who's interested in this, but check this out. Boop. Put them out in the sun a little bit. I've never seen a live one before, and there was a bunch of them in our garden. Hi, buddy. Get him out in the sun some more. Boop. 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 There we go. That's a good view. Yeah.
Look at what I can do.
Don't eat it, Kirby.
No, Kirby. No!
What is this?
It just comes. You can take it apart.
What is it?
The gum.
Oh. Kirby's like, I don't know what that is. What is it, Kirby? Did Roxy find some more stuff for you guys? Yep. Roxy's over at the neighbor's right now playing with Zippy.
You.
They are pretty gross, aren't they? Kirby, Kirby, stop. Get a good picture of it.
Don't let it come to me.
Well, I'm not really.
Even when it gets close, I'm probably going to step on it. Is there like a mist there?
I don't know. It was weird. They must be sleeping there, like under all the. They were under the tomato plants and the dill and all those weeds. I was out there pulling all those weeds. Roxy was acting all crazy trying to get something, and so I lifted up. I'm like, oh, there's a cicada shell. There's another cicada shell. There's a cicada. There's another cicada. They were everywhere. There's probably even more over there. I just had these 2.
Don't lay your eggs on me. If you're a girl.
Yeah, I don't mind it when it was on my gardening gloves, but when it flew onto my arm, I kind of started screaming.
What should we name it?
I don't know.
I have a good name.
What?
Dr. Buttfarts III, please.
Does he have an MD or a PhD?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's now official. His name is Dr. Buttfarts III.
Dr. Buttfarts III.